Daphne. Get your sleepyhead self over here right freaking now.
Oh my god, Fred. Do you even know what time it is? It's like past 5 a.m.
I don't care. Just get down here right now.
Give me one reason why should I come downstairs and listen to you?
Make some breakfast.
Fred. I'm too tired to make breakfast right now. I will do it at 9.
Well, that's too bad. You have to. I'm hungry here and I need you to make breakfast.
But Fred, I don't want to right now. If you can't wait, how about asking Vilma or Shaggy and Scooby?
Okay. Fine.
Like, hello Fred. What are we eating for breakfast?
I don't know. But I know it's not going to me that is cooking. How about you? Do you want to cook breakfast?
Like I don't want to Fred. I just want to eat the food.
Well, that's too bad. Because you have to.
Like really Fred.
Fine. I will ask Velma. Velma. Get your stupid dirt speck bean over here right now.
What is it, Fred?
Make us a breakfast meal or else.
But Fred, I don't want to cook today. I want you to cook.
For the last time. I am not cooking breakfast. How about you, Shaggy?
Like no Fred. I don't want to.
Fine. How about you, Velma?
No thank you.
Yes. You're going to do it and that's final.
I don't care. I want you to make breakfast. Last time I made breakfast. You're the only one haven't made breakfast for a long time. So no.
How about you, Daphne?
No, Fred.
That's it. If you're not going to make breakfast, I will destroy the kitchen surprise. There. Now no one is making breakfast.
Fine, Fred. I will go cook breakfast. HMMM. I haven't cooked for a long time. I hope I know everything. I will just set the butters at 575. I guess I need to wait for 8 minutes. Man. Why are there timers on? I don't need them. Okay, I think that's all. While I'm waiting, I'm going to watch on my phone. Alright, time to get cooking, until Fred sees how much it's fun to cooking them. Oh no. Oh no. Fred is going to kill me.
Okay, here you go. But I'm never going to cook you a meal again.
Freddy. We have a problem.
Oh my god, Daphne. Would you stop calling me Freddy? It's Fred, not Freddy. So, what do you want?
Well, Fred. When I was going to cook the food, the kitchen got on fire.
What? What did you put it at?
575.
Daphne. How dare you set the kitchen on fire? You don't set the burners at 575. you set it to 375. Danny. That's it. I am going to give you a concussion time for being so stupid and set at 575. It's concussion time. Now it's time to destroy this place to take out my anger.